2 years ago, I quit my job. I started building, trying, experimenting, and just recently I reached the milestone of 10K MRR.
How does this guy make over $10,000 a month with screenshots?
$10,000 monthly recurring revenue. Who doesn't like it? I love it, but most of my viewers will hate it if I tell you how he managed to earn $10,000 per month monthly recurring income. So before you get upset, I want to assure you that this video is for everyone, especially if you are at a 9-to-5 day job or an existing business where you have maximum 1 hour to 1.5 hours per day to try and start a side hustle or a side business, then this video is just for you. But he is a perfect example for the steps you need to take. But if you want to skip all the steps and earn money like these beginner members of our program, then I have a solution for you as well. So keep watching till the end, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, so you get notified by YouTube next time we upload our new video. First of all, let's get to the basics for a moment and try to understand how money is made. Money is in other people's pocket. These people buy products. Now, what is products? Products are solution to problems. Quick example, I need to keep my coffee hot for a long time so I can enjoy 1 mug of coffee for a long time. I bought this self-heating mug. It has this circular charging port at the bottom and the plate itself is the charger. So instead of buying a $2 mug, I bought a $200 mug. So this mug, this headphone, or this paintbrush are not the only products. Every single problem is a beginning of a unique solution and a product. And this guy figured that screenshots is a problem for a lot of people.
Well, it's because he works within the niche he knows best.
I knew how to build, like it was kind of my super skill, you know?
Before becoming an indie hacker, Dimitro started his journey as an employee.
I was working most of my life as a developer, writing code, helping startups and companies building products.
He was a developer, he was a programmer, and that's why I said a lot of my viewers will hate me for this. But don't worry, you don't have to be a developer. If you are a busy 9-to-5ers or an existing business owners, you can still solve problems in 2 different ways. And you don't need to be a developer or a programmer. I'm simply using this video as an example. So keep watching. I will show you what the 2 things you can do that is super easy to do and you can get better results than this. This video is showing a method called Vision. V stands for validate the niche. You are ready to solve problem for the people who are ready to spend money to solve their problem.
Since I was a backend developer, server-side developer, I knew how to build APIs, like it was kind of my super skill. I reduced my list of ideas only to API products. One of the ideas was, and I built it, it was email validation API. Somehow it looked super boring for me, so I just focused on screenshot fun. I went to Google and I saw so many competitors. It means there are people paying also.
So having a lot of competitor who are already charging money for the solution to the problem is an indicator that there are lots of customers paying to solve that problem. That's a validation of the niche. So step number 1, validate your niche.
That was good heuristic to evaluate the niche, you know.
So you realized that there were similar tools to what you wanted to build and people were already paying for these tools. But isn't having competitors bad?
This is a great question. Pay attention to the answer. Because lots of people ask me, isn't that saturated? Sometimes saturation is good.
How should others think about this when they're choosing their business idea?
Having some niche with competitors is good. You can probably also find some numbers. You can see how many customers they have. Almost every area you want to build, it's not unique. It's really hard to invent something unique. And even if you invent this thing, who said people need it, you know?
If you're thinking you're not a programmer, API is not your thing, programming is not your thing, I reassure you, I'm going to show you how you can make money in 2 different ways without any kind of programming background, without any type of technical work. And any beginner can do it. Let's learn the step 2 first. Now you validated the niche and you're going to innovate the MVP, which is minimum viable product. But before that, you need to make sure when you build this, at least some people will buy it.
But once you have at least 10 paying customers from outside network and you didn't know them, they just came and bought your product and use it, That's for me like an ultimate validation.
So he posted a link to his MVP or minimum viable product somewhere on social media, and all of a sudden some people bought from him. That was the final validation for him that yeah, it is a product that can solve people's problem and people will actually pay money for that. Now, how do you innovate the minimum viable product, which is the minimum product that customers could quickly pick and start using? Then you will improve based on customers' demand, based on the size of the market, and based on what you see how much you can make money from it. But he made a mistake in this.
It took me 5 months to build it and launch it. It was my first time. I wanted to be everything perfect and so on. It's a mistake.
Almost everyone makes this mistake. Everyone wants to make the perfect product. That never happened because
Anyway, your first version will be anyway not good.
100% correct. And it's true for every product.
Today I launch much faster. Like I try to launch in 1 month or less. I quickly build something really small and one feature.
Okay, now what about you? How can you create a product within 3 minutes? You can create a book that contains valuable information and people will pay money for it. But the good news, using AI, this book can be written in just 3 minutes. I have a book writer AI agent called Bookmaster. I will drop the link to this website in the description. Just watch this video and you will understand how easy it is to get a book, a self-selling book that also sells from inside the book in just 3 minutes. Super simple website. It will not waste your time. You don't have to spend hours reading or watching video, and it's pretty cheap. Right now, while shooting this video, the price is just $9, but this is going to rise soon because this AI agent is already validated. People are loving it. We already made $3,000 selling it. So we are now raising the price very soon. Whether you get it or not, do watch this video. You will love it. Okay, let's consider you have some AI-powered solution to get your book written within a couple of minutes. That is your first product. You can make money from it from many different ways. Now, another one is more passive than anything else. I'll come to that in a moment. Stay tuned. Now that you built your MVP, you need to sell. But most of us are not good at sales. So instead of selling, I would say share on multiple channels.
Which marketing channels work for you the best?
Okay. So when I started, it was like I was trying almost everything, and then I saw for me Twitter worked, Google worked. These are currently major channels for me. Then you have a lot of unobvious channels like Zapier, Make. A lot of people are using these tools for their businesses automating. And if you can put your products onto these platforms, people will find you. Also, of course, it was product hunt launch. It helped me with the awareness and it helped me with boosting my SEO. Some unobvious channel for me, I probably will invest more in it, is YouTube.
Now he's going to say something that we always do, and our beginner students in our program do as well. But we do it in a much easier way. Let's go check it out.
Somebody posted tutorial how to send cold emails with my product, and I saw like paying customer coming from YouTube.
It happens every single day. And instead of YouTube, we focus on more viral channels like TikTok. It's super easy to get 4.9 million views, 5.5 million views, sometimes 342 views as well. But they make money. Look at the commissions of our affiliates across 4 different accounts of Warrior Plus. Most of these affiliates are just beginners like you. Once you share your products on multiple channels and you get some sales, now you know it works. Now go ahead, double down, or 10x your sharing to get 10x results. Now here is the problem. If you only sell, people will hate you. So instead of selling, we share value. And the best, easiest, and cheapest way to share value is creating content that your target customers want to hear about. For example, this video. With this video, I am helping a lot of people. But at the same time, I know a lot of my target customers are watching this video. As they learn and get value from these videos, they will follow us, trust us, and eventually buy something from us. So instead of selling and becoming a salesman, we create valuable content and let the content sell for us. Guys, you should seriously watch this video because I literally shared every step in this video. How we make money and how we help beginners just like you make $500 commissions with a 99% done for you system. Find this video on my YouTube channel and I will also drop the link in the description. Make sure you watch the full video. Step number I is iteration based on feedback.
If I can get access to my potential paying customers directly, I would just go to them, just reach out to people. And then probably it will be payments, and then it will be notification, and then I will start iterating, getting feedback.
Customer feedback is extremely important to get happy customers, recurring paying customers, and improve your product the right way based on what customers need and want. If you don't do this, your customers will leave and you will lose your monthly recurring income. And that's why
talking to customers and testing your assumption is how you've reduced churn.
pretty simple, right? Let's get back here for a moment. Even if you sell a book, even if it is for a one price product, you should always look for your customers' feedback. This way you build rapport, connection, relationship, authority, and trust with your customers. And even if your book is just a one-time price product, these same customers will keep buying from you next time you promote something to them. And that takes us to this passive income system. I'll come back to it in a moment. Before that, this is something you really need to learn. Optimize pricing and marketing.
Tell us now how you decided on the pricing for your product.
At the beginning, it was pretty simple. $5 felt super cheap. 7 felt, okay, it's the simplest. But my margins were almost zero. So I decided to reduce the free plan. And I raised prices for next plans. When you raise prices, it really helps. It's much stronger signal to get people who really want to use your product. My current pricing is kind of an intuition, like how much customers still can pay, and it will be valuable for them, and it will be a good profit margin for me, and we can still grow, something like that, it's like kind of an intuition.
Customers will always want the cheapest price, and you as a seller will always want the highest price. But you have to balance between the market price, your value, customers' need, customers' ability, and come to an optimized point where everyone can be benefited. And that's true for your book or any other product. The last one will make you money for life. But before that, let's cover the passive income. You see, when you create a product, you also need a domain. You need a website. You need selling, shipping, of course. Digital products don't need to be shipped. You need to provide customer support, communicate with your customers. Altogether, it's a 72-hour per day job, which means one person can't do it alone. You need a team, maybe you need AI, you need other applications to do all this stuff. But did you know that you can avoid all this, still make money like an owner? And that is called affiliate marketing. The product owner's job is to get domain, website, selling, shipping, customer support. Affiliate marketer's job is only to get customers. And for getting the customers and having them buy the product, these affiliates make up to 50% commission for sales, which means the same amount of money that the product owners make. But the product owners will take care of all these and spend all the money, while affiliates will keep 50% just by sending customers. It doesn't matter what affiliate is doing. Affiliate job is just to get customers. Free, paid, doesn't matter. And that's where our mentorship and done for you program comes in with a nuclear level profitability. We teach our students how to get free customers from social media without spending a single dime on paid advertisements. And that's how they can keep all the money they're earning as affiliate commissions. And the best part for beginners, that our program is 99% done for you. And here is something new, guys. Please do watch this video because it will open your eyes. It will show you everything we do step by step. And if you have time, and if you are on budget, you don't want to join our program, you can still learn and do it yourself. At least try yourself just by watching this video. But if you are serious and you want to take your business to the next level, then we have a great Black Friday deal. It's called Earn, Then Pay. And it's only available for the first 25 people. So go ahead, watch this video. It's completely free to watch. I'll drop a link below this video. Once these 25 spots are gone, this opportunity is gone forever. Did you subscribe to our channel yet? No? Subscribe right now and switch on the notification bell button. This way, YouTube can notify you next time we upload our next video. Hit the like button, share with your friends and family. To learn more techniques and tactics of making money, free traffic, watch these videos and watch these videos. And I will see you on the next one.